Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use and install Voicemod. So first we're going to go through the installation steps. So I uninstalled Voicemod just to make this video. So you can go on any one of your browser websites, whatever is your default browser website. Search up Voicemod. Wait, I spelled it wrong. You want to press the first one that's there. And it says get Voicemod free. You want to click that, and you want to sign up with your Google account or Apple, Twitch, or Discord. I'm gonna do with my Google account. I'm gonna blur that just in case. And then when you install it, you press save, and then it'll pop up around here. So once it's fully installed, you want to click on it. It's just loading. Yeah, and then it'll ask you to do this if you're on a Windows 10. I don't know what it'll show like on your Windows 8 or Windows 7, but it will work. Okay. Alright, and now it'll change here. There's a setup. There's setup for the installation. So I speak English, so I'm gonna put English. And then you press next. And you press I accept the agreement so you can go to the next step. And you have to have at least this much of space. I obviously had that much space, but if you don't have at least 251.2 MB megabytes, then you can't install it. Okay, just press next and install, and then you install. Alright, so right now it's installing. You can see the little. Okay, and then when the thing finishes and it finishes loading, you want to press finish. The installations are done. I'll just skip to the part where it loads up. Okay, so once you get into Voicemod app, I'm going to continue with my Google account. Okay, use mine. Okay, and then when the login says success, you can use any of the voice changers. Okay, so you have to do the microphone setup. You have to select the output and the input. So this is my input, and now I'll just put this. Okay, and then you do mic sound test. Okay. Just press next. Alright. So you have to turn on the voice changer. So I'm not gonna put here myself because then there'll be an echo, but this is one of the voice changers. This is called Sword. I can hear some music, but I can't actually hear my own voice changer. This is magic chords. It makes your voice sound very funny. Child to adult, 2x1. Birthday reggae. I don't know what that means. And this is like robot. And that's just the free voices. Every day they put different free voices. So in this much time there'll be new voices. But yeah, and if you want to hear yourself with the voice changer, you just put hear myself. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed, leave a like and drop a sub